Hello children, this is Komal teacher from MMI Bibvewadi. Today we are going to work with wet pouring, that is pouring from jug to jug. So let's begin. For this activity you require one plastic mat, tray, 2 jugs. If you do not have the ceramic jugs, you can use identical glasses, sponge, and 1 jug to be filled with water. So let's begin, children. You're going to use your 2 fingers and a thumb. Again, hold it. Now to pour the water to the empty jug. You can use the sponge to dry the water that is spilled on the tray. Again, you pour the water back to the previous jug. Again, use your 2 fingers and thumb. Keep it back slowly, and if you see any water that is spilled on the tray, you can just clean it using the sponge. This is how you do wet pouring, that is pouring water from jug to jug. Thank you, children. This activity aims in development of order, concentration, fine and gross motor skills, pincer grip for developing pencil grip, judgment of space and volume, eye-hand coordination and independence, that is to prepare the child for daily course at home. Here the child also learns the concept of left to right. You see the teacher pouring the water from left to right. Thank you.